Hello, YouTube friends. Father Frank Pavone here, joining you in the light of the Supreme Court's recent decision about partial birth abortion. I hope you've paid some attention to this because up until just a few days ago, a procedure was legal in this country by which a baby was delivered partially, not completely, but largely outside the body of the mother and then killed, literally, by having scissors stuck in the back of the neck and having a suction tube suction out the brains of the baby. You know, some people have said over the years, and this has been disputed in our country for a decade now, and Congress has passed laws on this, and President Clinton vetoed it, and then it was brought up again, and finally President Bush signed a law in 2003 prohibiting this procedure, and still a lot of Americans say, I can't believe that it even happened. It has happened, it has been happening, it's still happening, but now the Supreme Court has said that the law banning this procedure called partial birth abortion is in fact constitutional. I just want to bring this to your attention and ask you, have you ever seen the details of what this procedure is about? In one of my previous sessions with you, I talked about how we have to see abortion in order to really appreciate the horror of what's going on. And with partial birth abortion, there are medically verified documents explaining how this works. I have on my website the medical papers of the doctors who do this procedure. And now, fortunately, the Supreme Court has taken a step in the right direction in regard to abortion. Make sure you're fully informed about what partial birth abortion is, what the Supreme Court recently said on the topic, and educate your neighbors about it as well. Because if people around you don't even know what's going on, well then now's the time to tell them, so that the word abortion doesn't just remain some kind of abstract concept, but that it really reflects what is actually going on. Thanks for listening. We'll be back with you again soon.